Hi guys, BRaditech here. In this HTML tutorial we are going to be looking at meta tags. Now meta tags go in the head section and they are used to be able to be found in search engines, such as you have the description, such as free web tutorials, and then you have the keywords HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, and then you have the author BRaditech. So I'll show you how they work. So we open a tag, we put meta, then we put name, and I'm going to first put keywords, so keywords, and then we have the content. So when you go through a search engine, it goes through the meta tags and finds the keywords and looks at the content, and if the keywords you've typed in matches the content, it will display your page. So let's start, and let's put free. Now we space them out by commas. Tutorials, and then if you want multiple words in one keyword, then you put them in brackets like that. So free tutorials, or I think we just don't have that actually. We just type multiple words. So free tutorials, web development. Yeah. So we space each one out by commas, and if we want a multiple word, we just put two words and then a comma after it. So web development, and then I'll put HTML, CSS, script, jQuery. So that is our keywords, and then we end it like that. So if someone searched that and there weren't many other sites that had those keywords, then our site would come up. So then once it's come up, it has our web address, but then we have a description under it, so it's like saying what the page is about. So that's when we put meta name equals description. Then we put content equals. So I'm gonna say BRaditech free programming tutorials free downloads. So when they search some of these key terms, if like, there aren't many other sites, then www.b-raditech.com will come up, and then the description will be shown under it. What if we want an author added to it, so it says who made the site? Well, then we can do that as well. So open meta tag, name equals author, content equals BRaditech. So it's as easy as that. So that's our thing that says what our site basically is. There are two more meta tags I want to talk about. So there's one which is HTTP equiv. So that is basically saying the content type I'm going to be looking at, and the most common one is charset UTF-8. So how do we specify that? So I'm going to open another meta tag. I'm going to space these out because this is a different type of meta tag. Meta name equals. We don't need name in this one. We put HTTP equiv equals content type, content equals. So usually you would put char set UTF-8. So that is basically a type of way it reads the document and stuff. I'm not really that knowledgeable on char set UTF-8. I just know how to insert it. I know more on the lines of these type of meta. And there is another one where we can get it to refresh the page every certain amount of seconds. So if we want it to refresh every 30 seconds, then we go and open a meta tag, and then we put http equiv again equals refresh. So as you can see, these ones have not got name, they've got http equiv because they're actually changing the document, not the just the description stuff. So refresh content equals 30. So that means the document will refresh every 30 seconds. So to test that out, I'm actually going to take that down to 2 seconds because we don't want to be waiting every 30 seconds just to test it out. So let's go and run this. Now we won't be able to see this lot, but right, I will close that. It was refreshing, but let's just add some text in here. And I'll just make the text bigger. So I just made the text bigger, and we'll run it again. So as you can see up here, yeah, the icon is like refreshing. You would see it more obviously on a bigger site. It's just this one's so small that it will refresh so quickly you won't even notice the refresh. But it is working. So we wouldn't see these on the pages. That is just like the background for the page, but this refreshes it, and that's just how it reads the document, etc. So that is meta tags for you. Thank you very much. Be right at